Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Graveyard Keeper game crashing, crashes to desktop, crash at startup, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, freezing problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. And the first fix is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So open Steam, click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam, then relaunch Steam and then again relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If that doesn't work, then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2, modify game launch options. You can try -DX11 or you can try -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Graveyard Keeper game and select properties. Then in the launch options, type -DX11 first, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties and this time type -DX12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to update graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website. Link are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and install the latest version. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run it and install it. And after installing it, just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to verify the game files. Don't ignore these steps. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Graveyard Keeper, select properties. Go to the installed files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to run the game from game installation folder, run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Graveyard Keeper game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now first double click this Graveyard Keeper exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then tick mark run this program in compatibility mode 4. From drop down here select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from drop down here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option as well. Hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes, just uncheck it, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. And then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Graveyard Keeper game folder. Select this Graveyard Keeper exe file and then click open to add it to the list. Now go back. Click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings, then click on allow another app, then click on browse, and then again go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Graveyard Keeper game folder, select Graveyard Keeper exe file, click open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. Here it is. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you're using any third-party software such as Komodo Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EST. Then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well, and then you can launch the game and check. Or you can also simply turn off your antivirus software and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus software. Fix 7 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. Open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Graveyard Keeper game folder, select Graveyard Keeper exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select high performance, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. The link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Then just restart your PC one. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to delete the Graveyard Keeper saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress and save settings. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to delete the Graveyard Keeper saved game folder. Open File Explorer, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, then open app data folder. If you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view, so, and check mark hidden items. Then open app data folder, then open local low folder, then open the lazy bear games folder, and here you will see Graveyard Keeper folder. First right click on it, copy it, go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. Then right click on it and then select delete to delete it. Now go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to disable overlays. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Graveyard Keeper, select properties. In general tab you will see this option, enable the Steam overlay while in game, just toggle it off. Then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. So if you have installed Discord on your PC, then simply disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So if you have any kind of overclocking software, then do not overclock it, just set it to default. Disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick, controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC. Unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel. Also end the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Eraser Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 12 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. You will see check for updates option, and after updating the Windows, just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then uninstall Graveyard Keeper game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Graveyard Keeper game crashing, crashes to desktop, crash at startup, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, freezing problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.